Hi everyone, welcome to English 103, Composition and Critical Thinking. I'm your instructor, Emily Vega, and I want to take a minute to welcome you to the class and tell you how happy I am that you're enrolled in my section. A couple of things about the course. This is a critical thinking course that involves a lot of writing about what we read. And for this class, unlike English 102, we're focused on nonfiction primarily. Things like speeches, essays, articles, things like that. And while there will be several literary elements in many of the pieces that we read, of course, there will be things like figurative language and symbols and motifs. We're focused on nonfiction prose. I think if you're someone who enjoys discussing or reading about various cultural issues or political issues or just big ideas in our society, I think you'll really enjoy many of the readings. We're going to begin this semester in just a moment. I'll walk you through what you need to do to get started. This week, you have 3 modules that you need to go through. So after you watch this video, you want to click modules and start going through in chronological order. The first module is just a course introduction. I want to learn a little bit more about you. I want to tell you more about the course. Of course, we'll take a look at the syllabus and the expectations for the class. The next module is all about rhetoric, which you'll see in a couple minutes is a complicated and sort of slippery idea. But for our purposes, it means the art of ethical communication and persuasion. But you'll see in the following videos that many of these definitions are contradictory and quite complex and slippery. Then the last module for week 1 is a module that's review of English 101. Now remember, 101 is a prerequisite for this class, or of course the equivalent at a different college or university. So in that module, I walk you through things like the basics of thesis statements, introduction paragraphs, body paragraphs. And I'll be adding to that module throughout the semester as students have questions or if things come up. If I notice that a lot of students have, say, comma splices or difficulty integrating quotations, I can add more lectures to that module. So that third module, the review module for English 101, that's something that you can skim through and go through rather quickly if you've taken English 101 recently. If it's been a few semesters or even a few years since 101, you'll want to take your time with that module. Okay? Welcome. I'm so happy that you're here. I'm available in office hours or the Canvas inbox or of course by appointment. And I'll talk to you soon.